Hi, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today on my channel, I have got to clean the hall bath. I just looked at the hall bath and I thought I was going to have to clean the shower and tub and everything, but this is my mom and my son's bathroom, and she just cleaned that yesterday, so I'm not going to do that. But I am going to sweep my toilet, sink, toilet not on camera, but I'm cleaning it, mirror, all that, because I'm going to do a small fall decor decoration in here. I'm not going to do a whole lot in here. I'm just going to do like a little here and there just to give them a little spice, and then some pumpkin spice. And then on one of these walls, I'll show you this wall right here. I bought a one of those pegboard hanging things, and I'm going to paint it white, because over here, this one's white, and this room has not been painted yet. This is the only room left to paint. It's still in that, I don't know what you call that, khaki beige color. But I want to go with the white, and also this. Let me see if you can see that. Yeah, this is also white, and as you can see, it needs replacement, which I have a black one for this room when I get the room actually painted white, like my bathroom, and redo everything in here. I'm not ready to do that. I don't really want to do that until after the holidays, because I have a lot more fun during the holidays if I don't do huge projects like I did in my other bathroom, because it takes a long time, and I like my decorations, and so I don't want to be moving them all around. But anyway, yeah, so that's what I'm going to do today. I hope you enjoy these types of videos, and if you do, like and subscribe so you don't miss anything, because my next video will be out. This one should be out Monday, and then I'll have another one on Friday, and so you don't want to miss anything. Anyway, welcome, and let's get started with this.
We're so dysfunctional, but still inseparable.
So here I am. Yes, I'm cleaning the shower, even though I didn't think I was going to be doing that. I looked in there and it needed it, so I just went ahead and did a little bit.
Oh, we stick together, but I know, it isn't for the better. No, that's just how we dance, with liquid confidence. We find each other every night. But if I were to let you go, if I would pack my bags and leave without you and be out there on my own, then I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottles.
So I was originally going to put up a pegboard that I got at the thrift store, but I've decided to use that somewhere else because when I was in Ross, I found the shelves that I had been kind of eyeing, and they were on sale for $6 each. So that's what my husband's doing right now, is putting up the shelves. They have these scalloped edges, and I've been wanting those for a while.
All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone, but you got me good, but you got me good.
Now I'm just starting my decorating, and I've got these washcloths that go really good with the towel that I have. And then now that the shelves are up, I can decorate the shelves. So I kind of started with the basket, but then I'm kind of done with that. That was easy. And now I'm just moving around until I get everything like I want it. But see how good the shelves look? And they were not easy to put up, as you could see. They had the little holes on the back that go on top of the screws, and you have to get them just right. So, okay, these may look upside down. These shelves are not upside down, by the way. But I think you could mount them the other way. It would just be a little harder to get the screw to stay, but I wanted them this way, not the other way, like if you were going to use them for books. I'm not going to be using books in there, just decorations. So anyway, I wanted to let you know that about the shelves are not upside down.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. Everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this.
that's it for today. I got my bathroom, my hall bathroom. This is my hall bathroom, decorated and for fall. And now I'm going to be going and working on another video. So, like, subscribe if you want to come back and see the next video of what I'm going to be doing. And thanks for coming. Thanks for being part of the community here. And I just appreciate you so much. Thanks. Bye.